Introduction. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji is the first Guru Sahiban in Sikhs. His contribution in Sikh history is great. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji has a great contribution in the historical, religious and social field of Punjab. Guru Nanak Ji is known as Guru of Hindus and Peer of Muslims. Place of birth and parents. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born on 15 April 1469 AD to Mother Tripta Ji and Father Mehta Kalu at Rai Boys Talwandi, now Nankana Sahib, Pakistan. If we talk about the birth of Guru Nanak Ji, according to the native month, the full moon of Katak is considered. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in a period when the condition of India was very difficult. Politically, religiously, socially, and economically, the kings and the emperors of that time abused the masses and showed blind devotion to heretical saints and the saints in the religious sphere. The social sphere, the terrible disease of ups and downs and untouchability had spread in the veins of the people. Education. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji was sent to study with a Pandit, but Guru Nanak Dev Ji shocked him with his lofty ideas. When the Pandit asked you to wear janau, you considered it a false ritual and wore it. Guruji refused his education. He learnt Persian and Sanskrit and also learnt arithmetic. Guru Ji in Sultanpur Lodi. The name of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's sister was Bebe Nanaki. Bebe Nanaki Ji knew all the miracles of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Bebe Nanaki Ji was married in Sultanpur Lodi, and after that Guru Nanak Dev Ji started living with his sister Varlying. Job and marriage. Father Mehta Kalu Ji requested his son-in-law Jai Ram Ji to get Guru Nanak Dev Ji a job, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji got a job at Moti Khana in Sultanpur Lodi, where Guruji worked for about 3 years. He used to spend most of his salary on helping the needy people. After some time, Guru Nanak Dev Ji got married to Bibi Sulakhani Ji. 2 sons were born to Guruji, who were named Sri Chand and Lakshmi Das. Guru's mind was not occupied with worldly affairs, and he always felt compassion for the social and religious condition of the people. Even while working in Modi Khana, he used to weigh grain by saying Tera Tera. When his opponents complained to Nawab Daulat Khan that Nanak Dev Ji kept robbing his grain, the rupees turned out to be more when calculated. Protection of wasteful rituals. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji didn't believe in any unnecessary rituals, so Guruji refused to wear a janau made of thread and clearly said that they only want to have a true and compassionate janau. Guruji also gave great respect to women and gave women equal status with men. He strongly opposed the practice of sati. Sacha Sauda. Father Kalu Ji wanted to engage Guru Nanak Ji in worldly activities, but Guru's mind was always engaged in devotion to God. Whenever Guruji was sent to graze the cattle would destroy the crops of people. When the owners complained about it, the crops looked green. One day, Father Kaluji gave 20 rupees to Guru Nanak Ji and sent him to do business. But Guruji gave these 20 rupees as food to a hungry sadhu sant on the way. This service is called Sacha Sauda. Seeing this, Father Kalu was very angry with Guruji. Bathing in the Bei River. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji went to his sister Bebe Nanaki Ji to do Sultanpur Lodi job, one day Guru Ji went to bath in a Bei river and disappeared for 3 days. At this time, Guru Ji received a message from Niranकार to do travels for the welfare of the world, doing 4 travels from 1499 to 1522. Guru Nanak Dev Ji made 4 travels of east, west, north, and south. During these travels, Guru Ji traveled to Lanka, Tashkent, Makkah, Medina, and Assam and met many saints, mullahs, and pandit. Guruji met these people. He was admired by telling his thoughts and found a direct relationship. At the same time, Guruji settled Sri Kartarpur. Ideology of Guru Nanak Ji. According to the ideology of Guru Nanak Ji, God is the one who resides in each and everything in the world. Guruji preached the lesson of Sarb Sahinda and raised his voice against hypocrisy. Guruji gave a lot of respect to women as the mother of kings. According to Guru ideology, household life is better than all religions. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was a great poet and magician. Bani written by him in 19 rags is recorded in Sri Guru Granth Sahib. Japji Sahib is great work of Guru Ji. Last time, he spent his last days in Kartarpur, Pakistan. Here Guru Ji chose Lahna Ji as the heir of his throne and decorated him with the name of Guru Angad Dev Ji, and lastly passed away on 22 September 1539.